How's it going, everyone? This is Mr. Morales. In this video I'm going to show you how to download LibreOffice. The purpose of downloading LibreOffice is so that we can download an alternate database management system. We need an alternate database management system to create our database, to create our database project, and this is in place of using Access. Now we use Access from the Microsoft Office suite, software suite. This time we're using LibreOffice, which is a different suite. It's an open source suite, it's free, and it includes several productivity tools, including a word processing program, spreadsheet program, and database program. In this case we're just going to use database program. So go to your browser and you're going to want to type in, go to google.com or your favorite search engine. You type in LibreOffice, and here we go, libreoffice.org. We click on that. Let's go to download LibreOffice. Now if you have a Mac or Windows computer, you should be able to download it without any problems. Okay, here it gives me some information about it, not much. Here we'll just download the latest one. And actually, let me go back real quick here. So here you will choose what kind of operating system you have. If you have a latest Windows computer, then most likely it'll be a Windows 64-bit. If you have an older computer, you may want to figure out whether it's 32-bit or not, but most likely it's going to be 64-bit. If you have a Mac OS, here's your option for Mac. Okay, let's download. Okay, let's save the file. And as you can see, it may take a while to download, so just wait and it'll download shortly. So once you've downloaded, you will download an actual file. And here's my file. I put it on the desktop. Yours will probably be on the downloads folder. Once you have that file, you locate it, you double click on it, and welcome to the installation wizard. You can go ahead and click next. We just want a typical installation. Create a shortcut on the desktop. Sure, we can do that. Do you want to allow this app to install software on your PC? Yes. And we'll let it run. Okay, the following applications are using files that need to be updated by the setup. You can let installation wizard close them and attempt to restart them or reboot later. I don't want to close the application because I'm using this application to record this video. So what I'll do is I'll leave this like that, do not close. But if you have things open that you don't need, you might as well just close it and then click on this close the applications to restart them and attempt to restart them. So we'll click OK. So let's wait for the installation to finish. Okay, the installation process is complete. It was successful. It'll give you a message here, successfully installed. We click finish. You must restart your system for the configuration changes made to take effect. Okay, so at this point it has installed successfully, so I should be ready to use LibreOffice. In the next video, we will open up LibreOffice and start using Base, which is the database management system software. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.